How to install Apache Maven on Windows. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can download Apache Maven on Windows. So let's get started. First of all, in order to download Apache Maven, you need to make sure you have downloaded Java. To check that, you can simply go to CMD, that is command prompt, and type in Java /version, that is --version, and simply check the version. Once done, you gotta simply go to the search bar and type in Apache Maven download, and this is the one that you need, maven.apache.org. Simply scroll down under the file section, you'll be able to see binary zip archive, so you need to click on this link over here. Once done, you'll be able to see something like this downloaded, so you need to go to your downloads folder, and here it is, and then you gotta simply just unzip this, right click on it, you gotta click on extract all, and simply click on extract. Once done, you'll be able to see it has been extracted, and this is the folder. So basically, when you open the extracted folder, you'll be able to see another folder within it. What you gotta do is simply cut it, Control X, or simply right click on it, click on cut. So this is cut. After that, you gotta go to the C drive, and then you gotta simply paste that over here. So I'm gonna paste it over here by Control V, or you can simply click on the right mouse button and click on paste over here. So once done, you gotta simply open this folder, and then you can simply double click on bin and then go to path and copy the bin path. So you can copy it by Control and C. Once done, you gotta head over to the environment variables. So simply go to the search bar and type in environment variables, click on edit the system environment variables, and then you'll be taken over to system properties. Here, you gotta click on environment variables, and then you gotta click on the path over here. Click on edit, and then you gotta click on new and simply paste that path over here. After that, you gotta click on OK, and then you gotta click on new and simply type down the environment variable. For example, I'm going to type in Maven, and after that you can type down the value. So simply paste the same path, but you got to remove the bin. So simply let the version be over here. Click on OK. Simply click on OK again, and then you got to go to CMD once again. Simply type down MVN and /version. And by simply doing that, you'll be able to see that the Apache Maven has simply been downloaded on your Windows. So that's how you can install Apache Maven on your Windows. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.